Hey Colorado Springs, did you just get hit by hail? If so, you're probably staring at your car wondering, what do I do now? In this quick video, I'm going to walk you through exactly what to do after a hailstorm so you can protect your car, avoid insurance headaches, and get back on the road fast, without wasting time or money. I'm Jesse with Pro PDR, and we've been helping Colorado drivers recover from hail damage for years. This is what we do, and we're right here in town. Step 1. Check your car for damage. Do a full walk around. Look at the hood, roof, trunk, doors, even the trim and side mirrors. Don't forget to check the panels under natural light. Dents hide well in shadows. Lighter color cars like white and silver will need to be out of direct sunlight to see the damage. Step 2. Take clear photos. Before you wash and move the car, grab a few wide-angle shots and then zoom in on the dents. These pictures are gold for your insurance claim. Step 3. Call your insurance company. Start your claim. But here's the thing most people don't realize. You don't have to go to the repair shop they suggest. That's called steering, and it's your legal right to choose where your car gets fixed. Step 4. Skip the traditional body shop. Most will repaint your car, replace panels, and keep it for 2 to 3 months. Instead, go with Paintless Dent Repair or PDR. It's faster, keeps your factory paint intact, and it's approved by every major insurer. At Pro PDR, we specialize in this exact type of repair. No repainting, no filler, no hassle. We're not some storm-chasing pop-up. We're located right here at 949 Elkton Drive in Colorado Springs, and we've helped thousands of local drivers just like you get their cars back to pre-loss condition. To make it even easier, we've put together a free hail damage checklist you can download right now. It shows you step-by-step how to file your claim, avoid getting overcharged, and get fast, affordable repairs. The link is in the description below. And if you're ready to get your car looked at, go ahead and book a free estimate today. You can call us at 719-574-5678 or schedule online at professionalpdr.com. Don't wait. After every big storm, the shops fill up fast. Thanks for watching, stay safe out there, and we'll see you soon at Pro PDR.